The serial number module allows item with serial numbers, including transaction and report. To maintain stock item with serial number, go to Stock and click Stock Item Maintenance. Here, you can add or edit new item. I will edit an existing item. For example, item ABC. Then, check the checkbox of Control by serial number. Once done, click OK. Then, to maintain opening balance for item with serial number, go to Stock and click More Stock Maintenance. Then, click Item, Opening Balance Maintenance. Here, define filter options. In this case, filter item code to the item we just edited, which is item ABC, and click OK. Once done, apply filter and click Auto Generate. Then, click here under the serial number. In this interface, you will be able to key in the serial number. Click the plus sign to add a new row. If it is a continuous running serial number, key in the starting number, for example, A1001, and the quantity. The ending serial number will automatically be generated. You can also add multiple serial numbers with different series. You may also click Import to import serial number from a text file. Once done, click Close. Here, you may notice that the total opening balance under the quantity column is automatically filled. Lastly, click Save. Purchase item with serial number. Go to Purchases and click Purchase Invoice. Click on a new purchase invoice. Then, select the creditor and then add the item. Here we will add the item with the serial number that we just created. Here, you may key in the quantity that you want, for example 25. Once you click Enter, the serial number window will be prompted to key in the starting and ending serial number. So here, for example, I will key in our C series. Once done, click Close, and then key in the unit price, and click Save. To perform sales of item with serial number, go to Sales and click Invoice. Then create a new invoice, select Adapter, and add item. The serial number window will be automatically prompted. Double click on the serial number available from the serial number table. Once done, click Close, and here the quantity will be automatically generated. Once done, click Save. To view the available serial number, go to Inquiry and click Available Serial Number Inquiry. Here, click the item code, and you will be able to see all serial numbers that are still available will be listed. To view serial number transaction inquiry, click Inquiry and go to Serial Number Transaction Inquiry. Here, select the item code and key in the serial number. For example, A1001. Then click Inquiry. Here, all the transaction records of that serial number will be listed. Double click on that record to view more information. To view serial number stock card report, click Stock and go to Stock Card Report. Define filter options by filtering the stock item. Then, click Inquiry. To view the details of serial number within the stock card, click Preview and click Stock Card Minimal Cost with Serial Number Info. Click OK. Here, you will be able to view the details of stock item with their serial number. To view serial number stock balance report, go to Stock and click Stock Balance Report. Define the filter options. This case would be the stock item. Then, click Inquiry. Here, click Preview to view the listing of serial numbers. Select stock balance for available serial number and click OK. Here, you will be able to view the listing of serial numbers available. To view serial number invoice listing, go to Sales and click Invoice. Select on the invoice transaction and click Print Listing. Then here, click Print Invoice Listing and click OK. In this interface, define the filter options. Once done, then click Inquiry. Check the related invoice, then click Preview. Select invoice listing with detailed serial number and click OK. Here, you will be able to see the serial number invoice listing. To view negative serial number quantity inquiry, go to Inquiry and click Negative Serial Number Quantity Inquiry. This is used to inquire for any negative quantity associated to all serial number up to the selected date. Here, define the date and click Inquiry. A list of serial number that contains negative quantity will be listed, if any that is.